First of all, thank you Online Sales team for organize the this technology hackathon, and this is a very wonderful hackathon. So the subject for our the hackathon is the what our problem statement is personalized email drip campaign creator for ABM. ABM means account based marketing, means all the content for the email like subject, body, and the images in the email in the emails. All this is generated with the help of the OpenAI and on the particular account name which we have given the input. So this is the basically our problem statement. So my team members are Shrutika Jadhav, Shruti Dhumal, and myself Mohanish Khambadkar. So the main innovations and key features of our problem statement and our implementation is that auto completing of inputs using free open source APIs. There is a multilingual language support, integrating of LinkedIn using Google Search Custom API, realistic image aligned with the email content, flexible output formats like JSON, CSV, web, and emails which you want, sending personalized emails to the contact person directly through the UI. Seventh is email modification before sending, and eighth one is the email template. So we will directly go through the our project. So this is the project which we have deployed directly on the globally, who can access anyone with the help of the given link. So talking about going through directly through the implementation is that here first of all we have to give the account name. Account name is the which industry, from which account name, means anything which you can input. Only we want the account name and on the depending on the account name the content will generate. So I will give the account name as the Microsoft. You can give anything Microsoft, and this is then here we have to select the industry input, means which type of industry it is involved. So Microsoft is technology type of industry, so that's why I will take the technology. And the pain points means what is the main points content which you want in the email, which you want in the email. So here we directly input the pain points like the innovations. So automatically, as mentioned in the first earlier, we have automatically suggestion of the inputs. So here is the types of the inputs. We can use the innovation and creative and like a development. Yes. So these are the pain points for the email, and where and the with the help of the comma the pain points are separated, and the campaign objective is that for what is the main objective for the email generation. So if there is a requirement of the developer in the Microsoft account, so Microsoft can automatically, so our project can automatically generate the email content regarding that. So here I will put the opening of job for developer, and the number of emails I will put the one, and the main function which I have mentioned earlier is the multilingual support. Here is the all types of the languages which you can get the content. So we will directly prefer the English because the other language I also don't know, so that's why we will prefer the English only. And here is the select the job title, for the job title which you are founding the jobs and all, means we can here put here anything. So I will put here the student. If there is not in the list, so you can click on the others and afterward you can put on the student. And this is the name of I will put here the my team members name as the Shruti Domal. And the email on which I want to get the email after the email content is generated. So here I will put my personal mail so I can show the email. And the organization means what, where the Shruti Dhumal is currently working, or where he is a student or that. So we are the team of the MIT Academy of Engineering. So I am putting here MIT, and afterward we only have to click on the submit. So the main function is now the searching is the LinkedIn profile. So we have integrated the LinkedIn API and the Google search engine API. So depending on the name and the organization, this prompt is going to the backend, and all the LinkedIn profile related with this content is search, and on the basis of the top priority of the first, which is the search by the LinkedIn, which is searched by the Google, that will integrate in the content, and all the content is generated on the basis of the account name, industry, pain points, campaign objective, and the LinkedIn profile info, and depending on that all email content is generated. So we can firstly, I will show you the LinkedIn profile of the Shruti. So this is the profile of the Shruti Dhamal, and she has done the internship in the Colgate Global Business, ex intern she is. And now here is our content is generated through the OpenAI API. We have the GPT-4o for the content generation, and DALE models for the image generation. So as there is the offer opening, so this is the subject of our email: unlock your potential, join Microsoft innovative developer teams, because we have given the input as the opening of job for developer. This is the content, and here is the whole body which is generated by the OpenAI automatically. So this is the content. Are you ready to take your passion for technology to the next level? At Microsoft, we are on a mission to push the boundaries of innovations and creativity in tech industry. We understand the challenges of staying ahead in development, and we are looking for talented individuals like you. Join our team and drive the future of technology. With your background from the MIT Academy of Engineering and experiences as an intern at Colgate Global Services. So this is the Colgate Global Services, which is fetched from directly from the ex-intern Google from the LinkedIn profile. Means all the integration of LinkedIn profile is integrated in our API, because because at the top we because at the top anywhere we have not mentioned the about the Colgate Global, and this is directly taken from the LinkedIn. And you have the skills and insight that are perfectly aligned with our vision. Imagine working in an environment where your ideas can transform. We are excited to announce an opening for a developer role that could be your next big career move. This is your chance to be a part of that team, values creativity and innovations, and where your contribution can make a real impact. So this is our main. This is all the content is generated with the OpenAI, and this is the main which can taken from the LinkedIn, and whole the content is related to the opening for the developer in the Microsoft. And this image is generated using the body and the subject of the which the subject and the body is generated from the OpenAI. Then this prompt is gone to the DALE models, and the image is generated. You can see the image which is the unlocked potential directly for the image marketing. And here is the call to action directly for the email. There is a one button where the call to action is given. So there is the apply now to join us in shaping the future. This is also button is given, and after that there is an option for download the all this content in the CSV. So I will show that. After clicking on the download CSV is downloaded, and the subject, body, call to action, optimal send time, and the image link, and the same image link is there, which I will if paste here the image will generated. You can see that means all the content can be stored in the download in the CSV format also, and we can send it, and all this content can be sent directly through the email which I have mentioned here. So I will send the email. So email is sent successfully. Show now I will now log into my Gmail and show you the content because I have put my email. So see, we can see that all the content and which content which we have generated in the front end, directly we have get the email for that. This is the Hi Shruti Dumal, our name, and same content of from the front end we can get in the email also. This is our main key features, and all the email is our templated in the hard coded format. And here is the apply now to join us directly button, which we are directly we for now I have redirected to the online sales. And here is also all the button workings. Means we have click on this and automatically call is there, WhatsApp contact is there for the particular number which I have mentioned now. Directly you can see the WhatsApp is opening, the all is working. And also there is a option for email also, directly the email can be sent. So and on the further for the further customization and future scope, we can give the directly all the account information, account email, account contact number, and account contact number, and for the calling all the information, and automatically and automatically all the links. This we can customize with the given input for further future scope also. So this is the basically our project, and the main function is that if we not want the content is correct and we want to edit that content, and after that we want to send, so there is also option of the edit and send. So after clicking on edit and send, we can automatically change our content. So for trial I will directly give the unlock trial check, and for the body also we can give the trial testing for editing, and apply now also. Here we will also use the trial, and accurately we can get the time. And the optimal send time is the industry time on, and because and on depending on the industry all the functions is going. So this is the industry manipulated time. So after and after clicking on the save and send email, this the edited email is sent to our email. So we will see that it come or not. So see, now the new email content is generated. So which is we have given the trial, this is also generated. Trial testing for editing means all that content are edited. Here is also trial has come. So this is the main functionality which we have incorporated in our project. So this is our basically project, and thank you.